Welcome back to the channel, folks. Life on my bike. Another glorious sunny day here in East Yorkshire. Today's Thursday. On our bike ride to Bridlington this evening. Joined by a car in front of us and Chris behind us. Just out for a steady ride to a new place called, I think it's HB Motorcycles or HB something. We'll check when we get there, I suppose. Enjoy the ride, taking the scenery. My young lad on the back commented how we've got a single cylinder at the front, I'm on a twin, and Chris behind's on a Triumph, so that'll be a triple. You'll notice I've tried to mount the camera in a different location, facing a different way, so let's see what it looks like. As always, folks, after work it's rush hour traffic. It's what it is. Just enjoy the sunshine and the ride. And the sound. Hey? It certainly is. Where would we go? Where should we park? Yeah. Let's park here.